Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change color scheme in Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, go to admin.shopify.com and log in using your store credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard. From here, click on Online Store under the Sales Channel section. After that, you'll be redirected to the Themes page. On the Themes page, find your current active theme and click on the Edit Theme button. This will open the Shopify Theme Customizer. Now, to change the color scheme, click on the Theme Settings option. From the list of settings, select Colors. Here, you'll see all the color schemes available for your theme. To edit a color scheme, simply click on the scheme you want to modify. You can easily customize it by changing options like background, background gradient, text colors, and more. If you choose a background gradient, you can adjust the colors by dragging the color selector, change the opacity, or select a completely different color. If you don't want a gradient, just click Remove Gradient and the background will return to a solid color. If you want to change the color scheme for a specific section of your store, first click on that section inside the Theme Customizer. Once the section is selected, look for the Color Scheme option, and you'll see a list of the color schemes you've created. Select the one you want, and the color scheme for that section will update instantly. You can repeat this process for other sections by selecting each section. This allows you to use different color schemes across various sections of your Shopify store. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change color scheme in Shopify. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.